Before reaching the processing line, fresh shrimp begin their journey in carefully managed coastal farms and waters.
In the water, the shrimp grow until they reach the size and quality required for commercial processing. When the shrimp reach the right stage, specialized harvesting equipment carefully collects the fresh shrimp from the farm.
Immediately after harvesting, the fresh whole shrimp are rapidly chilled with clean ice to protect their quality during transport. Each batch of fresh shrimp is weighed and recorded before leaving the farm for the processing facility.
The chilled fresh shrimp are loaded into refrigerated transport, beginning their journey to the processing plant.
After traveling under controlled cold chain conditions, the fresh shrimp arrive at the massive processing plant.
Before entering the processing line, every batch of fresh shrimp is carefully inspected for quality, size, and freshness. After inspection, the fresh whole raw shrimp enter the first cleaning stage, where chilled water removes surface debris. The fresh whole shrimp are then thoroughly washed inside a controlled industrial cleaning system. Once washed, the excess water drains away as the clean whole shrimp continue toward automated sorting. Advanced sorting equipment now separates the whole shrimp into precise size categories. Each size category is carefully graded so the shrimp can be processed and packaged consistently. Samples from each size group are checked again to make sure only suitable shrimp continue to the next stage. The sorted whole shrimp now enter a specialized system that carefully separates the heads from the edible shrimp bodies. The separated shrimp heads are collected separately, while the edible shrimp bodies continue through the main processing line.
The shrimp bodies then pass through a precision peeling system that removes the outer shell. After peeling, precision equipment removes the digestive vein, creating clean, ready-to-process shrimp.
The peeled and deveined shrimp receive a final controlled rinse before entering the next stage of production. The fresh whole shrimp have now been washed, sorted, deheaded, peeled, and deveined, ready for the advanced processing stages ahead.
After peeling and deveining, the clean shrimp enter a carefully controlled cooking system. Inside the cooking system, precise temperature control transforms the peeled shrimp into fully cooked shrimp.
The cooked shrimp emerge with their characteristic pink and white appearance and immediately move toward rapid cooling.
After cooking, the shrimp are rapidly cooled to prepare them for the freezing stage. Before freezing, controlled air systems remove excess surface moisture from the cooled cooked shrimp.
The cooled cooked shrimp now enter an IQF freezing tunnel, where each piece is rapidly frozen individually.
Inside the freezing tunnel, powerful cold air rapidly freezes the cooked shrimp individually, helping prevent them from sticking together.
Once frozen, the individual shrimp leave the tunnel and move toward a series of final quality checks.
High-speed vision systems inspect the frozen shrimp for appearance, size, shape, and processing quality.
Automated weighing systems verify the quantity and weight of the frozen shrimp before packaging. Samples of the frozen shrimp are also tested in the laboratory to verify quality and safety before final packaging. After passing final inspection and metal detection, the frozen shrimp are approved for packaging. After passing every quality check, the individually frozen, peeled, and deveined shrimp are ready for packaging. Precision weighing equipment measures each portion of frozen, peeled, and deveined shrimp with remarkable accuracy.
The precisely measured frozen shrimp portions are sealed into retail packages designed to protect the product during storage and transport.
Each sealed package of frozen, peeled, and deveined shrimp receives its final label before automated systems verify the packaging.
The sealed packages are packed into shipping cartons and automatically organized for cold chain storage and distribution. Inside the massive cold storage warehouse, packaged frozen shrimp remain protected at controlled temperatures until shipment. From the processing plant, refrigerated trucks carry the packaged frozen shrimp toward markets, restaurants, and consumers.
From a shrimp farm to a massive processing plant, from harvesting to freezing and packaging, this is the incredible